Planning an Alaska cruise? I'm sharing 10 Amazon must-haves you need to bring or you might regret it. These are the items cruisers swear by. Make sure to subscribe if this video helps you, and you'll find links to everything in the description and the first comment below. Let's get started. Item number 1, binoculars that work well. Wildlife watching is a top Alaska highlight, but without good binoculars, you'll miss out. Also, wildlife sightings come and go fast, so make sure every member of your party has their own. I recommend these sturdy, high-quality binoculars. Item number 2, portable battery bank. Excursions can last all day with 0 charging spots. Imagine your phone dies mid-photo. A slim power bank from Amazon can be a lifesaver to keep your phone charged up. Item number 3, water bottle. Don't waste money buying bottled water on board. Cruise ship water is safe, so bring a water bottle. Don't buy a collapsible water bottle though. I bought one and tried it before my cruise and it didn't work. It ended up leaking. Instead, use a sturdy stainless steel or BPA-free plastic water bottle. Item number 4, packable rain jacket. It can rain at any time in Alaska because it's part of a rainforest called the Tongass National Forest. You'll need a light rain jacket in summer and a warmer rain jacket for the cruise shoulder seasons. Make sure the hood ties or snaps at the neck so it doesn't fall back in the wind. Choose a packable jacket so it takes up less room in your luggage. See the description for my recommendations. Item number 5, waterproof pants. To complement your rain jacket, you'll need waterproof pants for Alaska. I bought 2 and the thin material worked great for summer. They easily fit over jeans and other pants. They also offer UV protection. You'll be set for your trip with these. You can consider buying a warmer waterproof pair of pants for the shoulder season, but these thin pairs will also work well. Lotion. You might be surprised, like I was, that there won't be any lotion provided in your cabin, so bring some along for your trip to avoid getting dry skin. I recommend Gold Bond for body lotion and Olay Regenerist for a facial moisturizer. Quick check-in. If these tips are helping you plan your cruise, hit that like button. Item number 7, motion sickness remedies. While an Alaska Inside Passage cruise is not as rocky as open ocean sailing, people can and do get seasick. These ginger chews taste great and can be settling and comforting to your stomach, but if you need something stronger and more effective, make sure to bring it along with you. Cruise lines often supply green apples to passengers as they say those help to combat motion sickness. Item number 8, magnetic hooks for cabins. You can maximize space in your cruise cabin and stay organized with magnetic hooks for walls and doors. Hang wet jackets, hats, and even swimsuits. They're cheap, highly rated on Amazon, and a game changer. Item number 9, lanyard. A lanyard might not look very cool, but you'll use your key cards so often on your cruise you won't care because of the convenience factor. Have a little fun and grab a nice one with an Alaska or cruise theme. See options in the description. Item number 10, cruise luggage tags. Cruise lines mail adhesive luggage tags that stick to your bag handle, or you can print a larger version at home. To protect your tag, I recommend using an inexpensive luggage tag holder. I've listed options for all major cruise lines below. Tags you print at home fit perfectly into these holders, while the mailed ones can be folded to fit inside as well. Please give this video a like if you found something helpful and subscribe for more Alaska cruise videos, including what else to pack and what to do once you're there. If you have any comments or questions about Alaska cruising, drop them in the comments below.